Hello everyone. In this tutorial we will learn how can we include a simple contact form in WordPress using contact form 7 plugin. So let's start. First off, we have to go to the plugins area and we will add a new plugin, which is the simple one, contact form 7. This is the plugin here. You can see this is more than 5 million active installation of this plugin. Let's install the plugin. It will take little time. When you are in local server, it may take a little bit more time, but when you are in live server, it will take much shorter time. By the time of its installing, okay, we can see the plugin is already installed. Now we will activate the plugin. The plugin activated. Now in the page section, we will add a new page for our plugin, for our contact form. Okay. Close this one and we will add a title. Here you can see this is a Gutenberg page. Let's go to the plugin settings area. You can see here is a default contact form already here. Okay, let's edit this one. We can see the contact form will take your name, your email, subject and your message. Okay, we are fine with this. Save it, copy the shortcode, go to the page, click on the plus sign to add a block. We'll search for shortcode here. You can see the shortcode. Paste the shortcode here. Let's publish. All done. Let's view the page. All right, you can see our simple contact form already loaded in this page. So by this little time, less than 2 minutes, you can add a contact form in your WordPress page. If you type your name, your email, subject, when a user type the form, it will send to the admin of the site. That's all. Thank you. See you next time.